Farm work. It is morning on the farm. The farmer is asleep. Who will get the eggs? The farmer will, said Rooster. Who will milk the cows? The farmer will, said Rooster. Who will feed the pigs? Rooster said. The farmer will. Who will feed the sheep? The farmer will, said Rooster. Who will feed the goats? Rooster said, the farmer will. Who will fix the fence? The farmer will, said Rooster. Who will get the farmer up? I will, said Rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo! What things will the farmer do on the farm? Talk about the pictures, and then it's your turn to read. Farm work.